Vital signs: TPR BP, T for temperature, P for pulse, R for respiration, BP for blood pressure. Body temperature. Body temperature is defined as the measures of the heat inside the body, the balance between heat produced and heat lost. Normal body temperature. Oral 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 37 degree Celsius. Rectal and tympanic 99.5 degree Fahrenheit, 37.5 degree Celsius. Axillary temperature 97.7 degree Fahrenheit, 36.5 degree Celsius. Abnormal body temperature. Hypothermia is a medical emergency that occurs when your body loses heat faster than it can produce heat, causing a dangerously low body temperature. Body temperature falls below 95 degree Fahrenheit, that is 35 degree Celsius. Hyperthermia is characterized by an abnormally high body temperature, temperature greater than 37.5 degree Celsius to 38.3 degree Celsius, that is 99.5 degree Fahrenheit to 100.9 degree Fahrenheit. Pulse. The pulse rate is a measurement of the heart rate. This is the number of times the heart beats per minute. As the heart pushes blood through the arteries expand and contract with the flow of blood. Normal pulse rate for healthy adult ranges from 60 to 100 beats per minute. Average is 72 beats per minute. Abnormal pulse rate. Bradycardia is slower than the normal heart rate. Heart beats fewer than 60 times a minute. Bradycardia can be a serious problem if the heart doesn't pump enough oxygen-rich blood to the body. Tachycardia is the medical term for a heart rate over 100 beats per minute. Respiration. Respiration is the process that brings oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide waste. The exchange occurs in the lungs. Normal respiration rate. The normal respiration rate for an adult at rest is 12 to 20 breaths per minute. A respiration rate under 12 or over 25 breaths per minute while resting is considered abnormal. Abnormal respiration rate. Bradypnea is an abnormally slow breathing rate of below 12 breaths per minute for more than 2 minutes. Tachypnea is a condition that refers to rapid breathing more than 20 breaths per minute. Blood pressure. Blood pressure is defined as the amount of pressure exerted on the walls of the arteries as the blood moves through them. It is measured in millimeters of mercury. There are two parts of blood pressure: systolic measurements and diastolic measurements. Systolic phase. In this phase, heart is contracting and pushing the blood from the left ventricle of the heart. The reading you get shows the pressure on walls of the arteries as the blood is pumped through the body. The normal range for systolic pressure is 100 to 139 mm of Hg. Diastolic phase. During the diastolic phase, the heart relaxes. The diastolic measurement is always lower than the systolic measurement. It shows the pressure in the arteries when the heart is at rest. The normal range for diastolic blood pressure is 60 to 89 mm of Hg. Abnormal blood pressure. Hypotension. Abnormally low blood pressure is known as hypotension. A blood pressure of less than 90/60 mm of Hg is considered as hypotension. Pre-hypertension. If blood pressure is between 120/80 mm of Hg and 140/90 mm of Hg is called as pre-hypertension. This means that the person does not have high blood pressure now but is likely to develop in the future. Hypertension. High blood pressure is called as hypertension. In this condition, people have elevated systolic or diastolic blood pressure. A blood pressure level of 140 by 90 mm of Hg or higher is considered as high. A normal adult blood pressure is 120 by 80 mm of Hg.